We've sort of talked about high-level carbon markets overview, how to benchmark quality, right? How to look at other project quality, benchmark quality, get a sense of the competitive landscape, and how to identify potential buyers, potential near-term demand. I think a key question that underpins all of this is, what price can my project command? And what levers can I pull to impact that price? Now, Sylvera has been sort of quietly building out a pretty large 300,000 price points plus data set of pricing data over the last, let's call it 8 to 9 months. All of that data you can see, well, let's scroll up here. All of that data you can filter down on project type, on region, on country. I filter down on a subset of project types here, but you can add those that you find interesting. And as I scroll down, you can get a sense of what is the average price per project type and what is the price distribution for that project type. I find this particularly interesting for ARR projects. We can use those as an example. The price point for ARR projects is relatively high. The price distribution is also pretty spread out here compared to a lot of the other project types. And we can get a sense as we scroll down of why that is, right? What are some of the levers that impact that price distribution? If you look at ARR projects here, as the rating gets higher, so this green bar is the highest rating, the highest rated ARR projects. As the ratings get higher, the price that is sort of commanded by that project on the market also gets higher. And really interestingly, you can see a similar correlation for co-benefits specifically as well. So co-benefits are, of course, a key driver of project quality. And they are part of the assessment that Sylvera would do for a project rating. And you can see that as the co-benefits get more robust, that ARR project also commands a higher price per credit as well. So this is quite a dense module. There's quite a bit of data available to dig into. But one thing that I'll touch on is the offtakes data set that our team has put together. So this is a data set that tracks all of the public offtakes and gives you a sense of, okay, so what is the median price per project type for these offtakes, right? Taking into account all the offtakes that have happened. It gives you an insight into the different offtake volumes and prices that have happened per project type over time, as well as major buyers in the space.